Fat.
Here we go.
Concentrate.
Beautiful sunshiny day here in Geelong. Oh, looking forward to the quiz. It's an Indigenous quiz, fair to say. Willis?
Sir Doug Nicholls round, Bill.
It is too. This round and next. Fantastic. Big game tonight, of course, at the G. We go to Adrian in Geelong. Welcome to the quiz.
Just on the tractor, Bill, just sowing a bit of barley.
Oh, of course, you're right.
Old farmer, Bill.
Jeez, it's itchy.
Like it.
Barley, isn't it? It's really itchy.
Now he's doing the farm chat
Yeah.
again.
No, it isn't.
What kind of tractor we got?
John Deere.
Oh, of course, there's only one, the green and gold John Deere. Where are you?
Just out in Ballyang.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
nice.
near the sanctuary?
No, Jim, thank you. Oh, shut up.
Any
That's another,
chihuahuas around?
Chihuahuas.
that's another story. By
I
the
don't
way.
know this story.
Adrian! The Melbourne Demons rebranded their club name to what for the Sir Doug Nicholls Indigenous round?
In what?
Oh, Struth, no idea, sorry.
Truth. Righto. What do they call themselves? Let's go to Sam in South Yarra. What are you doing, Sammy?
Hey boys, just about to get a democracy sausage.
Yes.
Oh, nice. I went this morning. There was no sausages. What's
Too early.
going on?
Yep.
I don't know. A lot of people there. The Melbourne Demons, what have they rebranded themselves for this round of footy?
I think it was Nam or something like that, wasn't it?
Nam,
Well done.
exactly. Nam.
Nice.
N-A-R-R.
Yeah, double RM.
Thank you, Damien. Well done. Question 2. In 2017, Buddy was one of 10 players that changed their jumper number in Indigenous round to what number? One of 10 to change his number.
Jeez, that's a tough one.
It is tough.
For
I can't remember this either.
It was.
I can.
Should you give a clue, Bill?
Yeah, a little one. Thanks, Dave.
Well, it was to do with the famous referendum moment.
Yeah.
And a timeline beyond that.
High number?
let's
Very
go
high number.
77.
No, but not bad, Sam. I see where you're coming from there. Willis.
Where's he coming from?
Willis. I don't know.
Boys, just
Is that you, Willis? Oh, you're walking the dog, Willis.
Yep, down to mow the lawn.
Oh, good work, Willis. In 2017, Buddy Franklin, along with 10 other players, changed their number in this round to what number? It was something to do with the 1967 referendum.
Well, I'll go with 67, thanks.
Come on, Fat.
Well, it was a hard one, and I like Willis. Number 3 is a lifeline.
Get around him!
Oh, you got Dark, you got Bernie, and you got Nerd here. Damo, lifeline. Name 4 of the 5 Indigenous players that have played the most games in VFL AFL history. Willis, who would you like?
Gotta go with the duck.
Oh, the Duck, of course.
Burgoyne would be one. Betts would be one. McLeod would be one.
Cloud, yeah.
No,
Goods would be one.
no.
Yes.
It means he's got the answers in advance yet again.
No.
Willis?
Come on, everyone knows that.
No, we'll go with duck. We'll go with the cheat.
Oh. See, he's already known. He's
Yeah.
universally known as a cheat. Righto, number 4.
Is that a question?
The Dreamtime at the G clash between Essendon and Richmond has been played in which 2 cities over the last 2 seasons? Dreamtime at the G tonight, but the last 2 years. Willis?
We'll go Perth.
Yeah, right. What are those 2? What you talking about?
And Darwin.
Very good.
Perth and Darwin. Wow.
You didn't even know.
Well, look, I'm under pressure here.
Are you? How?
My screen keeps flicking over. Just leave it on the questions, Will. You got a punch in the guts. Righto, number what about 2? 5. Oh, well, I'm under duress.
Joke ridden.
Name the 3 players from the Tiwi Islands that have won a Norm Smith medal. You haven't got Duck, you got Damo, and you got Nuff Nuff.
Come purple. We'll go with purple.
Purple.
Okay, we'll go with Michael Long. We will go with Cyril Rioli. And we will also go with the Michael Rioli back in 82.
Michael, yeah.
Jeez,
Yes.
that's a good get.
Michael, wow.
Maybe. Hang on, Morris.
No.
Morris. Sorry. I was just going the years.
Michael
Jeez, that's a
Rioli.
good get. I haven't even heard of him.
So what are they again, please?
Morris Rioli,
Yeah.
Cyril Rioli, and Michael Long.
Jeez.
What do you think, Willis?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Morris Rioli.
Morris in
Yeah.
a losing game.
Yeah, it was.
Was it?
No, that was in there. There was the Simpson. It might have
No,
been.
82. 82 was a losing grand final.
And he was Golden
Carlton won. Yeah.
Golden Gloves,
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
Yeah.
No, he was
Who thought
exceptional. Jacko.
Jacko thought he was the best fighter?
Fighter at South Fremantle, and after about 7 minutes in the ring, the bloke kept trying to ding it after 3 minutes, and Mel Brown just kept grabbing the dinger and going, I think you could do with a big
Keep going.
Jacko had the lumps belted off him.
And what did he say? I'm
I'm the second toughest bloke now at South. I'll acknowledge that.
Oh, Morris, what a star
What
he
a,
was.
what a
Yeah.
star he was.
Anthony McDonald-Tipungwuti announced his retirement this week after playing 126 games with the Bombers. In 2019, he kicked a career-high 7 goals in a game against which club? Tip.
Do I get a hint?
Nothing.
No.
Nothing, Willis. You've been on fire. This is question 6.
7 goals against.
The tipper.
Quickly Googling.
Yes.
I don't even know the answer to this, but I'd take a wild guess at North Melbourne. Because every single person's career best is against North.
No, non-Victorian,
Josh
isn't
Bruce
it?
is, anyway.
Chris O. Chris O's there. G'day, Chris O.
Just finishing up in the strong room there, Bill.
Oh, strong room.
A strong room.
Bit of metal.
Well, I'm not sure
Yeah.
on that.
Is that a gym?
Is that the gym?
Yeah, clunk and steel.
Build some steel around, Fat.
Well, I've got a
Jim's
store
used
at
to that.
home, which
He
is
knows.
not the gym.
Byrne bought himself a bench and still has
That's
another.
right. He did too.
It's just holding all my shit in my garage now.
Doug's got a workbench.
Oh, no. Bill's going
Woody
with his
kicked
real
a
order.
career high. Just doesn't get any work. Tip and Woody kicked a career high 7 against which club?
Lions, I believe.
Yes.
How'd you know that? What's his name?
Chris.
Chris, so.
Sneezing on air.
Yeah, remind you of that.
So, excuse me. Who sneezed then? Was it Chris O?
Chris.
Yeah, sorry, Bill. Yeah, just.
You use your cough button,
I
Chris.
think you say bless you when someone sneezes.
Actually, bless you, you're right.
Anyway.
I was watching the tipper highlights after I heard his announcement of retiring. So
Ooh, and
Gotta respect
emotional.
that. Respect
Emotional.
that.
He
Yeah.
was emotional. Yeah,
And so were the players in the room. Very emotional, actually.
What a star, by the way.
yeah, he was.
good.
We should talk to him. Can we get him on?
Yeah, I hope so.
Will, do something. 7. A statue of which Indigenous player was unveiled outside Optus Stadium in Perth in 2019, Chris O?
the one and only Nicky Winmar.
Yes, indeed. He was on the front bar the other night. Not as good as the week before, but they were good, let me tell you. Lifeline, number 8.
Get around him!
You got Nuff Bernie here. Here we go. Or you can go yourself, Chris O, of course. In 2005, the AFL announced the Indigenous Team of the Century. Who was named as captain and who was named as coach of the side? Captain and coach, and they're...
Yeah, let's go with Byrne, please.
Yeah.
Righto,
It was a
Nuffy.
great decision.
There. Well, there's nothing else.
Well, Polly Farmer would have to be.
Do you know who Polly Farmer is and who he played for?
Yeah, Geelong.
What number do you wear?
5.
Well done. Good. Change the game.
He's
He's
birth
captain.
prior to that.
Yeah.
Change the game, Polly.
And I reckon, was it Barry Cable?
Do you know him? Who he played for?
Who did you play
Who did he
for?
play
Bert?
for?
South Melbourne.
No. Oh, Bernie Fairham.
You've done a duck, haven't you?
North Melbourne. So who are you saying?
Perth.
Duck told me.
Who are you saying?
Well, I'm
Polly
not
Farmer.
100%.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah,
convinced.
yeah.
Not Bernie Vincing there.
Yeah. But Chris, what do you
Well,
reckon?
I wish I had purple to tell you the truth on this one, but
He doesn't know as
I'm
much
gonna
as
go-
you think.
I'm going to go. You know what? I'm going out on my own. I'm going to go the Polly. I'm going to go the. Going to go. Nah, stuff it. Go with Byrne. Go with
Yes.
Byrne.
Yes.
Jeez,
You nearly burnt yourself.
the great Polly Farmer, what a star he was. And Barry Cable.
Barry Cable was an unbelievable
Yeah.
How
player.
many games did he play?
400 and plenty for Perth and
North.
a couple of stints at North, 2
He went
premierships.
back. He went
Yep.
back and then came back
Yeah.
again. He was a freak.
Champion
Oh, they
and a
love-
very good man, Cabes.
They love Polly down here too.
Good at South Melbourne too.
Never
Oh,
played.
early on.
No, but
Late?
so we're up to number 9.
Jordan Lewis.
I think
and
you
the
got Barry
binoculars.
mixed up with Bobby.
Yeah, mate.
What's Jordan Lewis doing?
It's very
I know.
shiny hairy.
Duck, what's happening down there?
Yeah,
Duck?
from the top view, like
Yes,
it's something
it's
going
got a
on.
Hang
real
on,
sheen
Duck's
to it.
onto it here. Hang on.
He was balding when I was playing with him.
Yeah.
Duck.
I don't think we're allowed to talk about that.
Oh, no.
Well, and Lego head's down there. I saw him having a kick. before
Definitely.
the game.
Righto, here we
There's
go.
definitely a possum in the house.
Peter the Possum.
Well, one question left, Pat. Hurry up.
Hey, 2 to go.
2.
Which 3 players, Chris, are you still there?
Yes, I'm with you, Bill.
You're on the tractor.
Hurry up.
Long quiz, Bill.
Which 3
Finish the
players
paddock soon.
with the surname Rioli are currently playing in the AFL? Ooh. Here we
Oh, gee whiz. Oh, I got the young Carlton bloke, and I can't think of his name, so I'm going to struggle.
He's a motlop.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
Don't go in.
Yeah. Check, mate.
Checkmate.
No,
check,
he's
mate.
out. Do we
Righto.
need to take a break, Will? Is that what
Oh,
you
no,
want to do?
no, I'm on
Pat,
fire.
No, you're not. You're
Pat's been-
meandering.
No,
what you're doing.
You brought up his hair.
Oh, yeah, that took about 8 seconds.
Stay there, Scotty. We'll
All
come
right,
to you. I
get
reckon
you
I
in
know,
a
Scotty.
second. Duck's here, as is Bernard and Damo and Fat before he goes out and visits a couple of boxes. But we got 2 questions left.
We have. Good quiz, too. It's been really good. A lot of feedback
Get some
today.
energy into it, Bill.
Hello, Scott.
Just strolling along the beach, Bill.
That's the way. What do you do, Scotty?
As in, what now?
No, actually,
walking on the beach.
what do you do? I'll break it down. I'll dumb it down for you. What do you do for work, Scotty?
HR, Bill.
Hey, Char.
Yeah.
What's that stand for, Bill?
Headquarters. What
My goodness.
does
My
it become?
goodness.
Human resources, Bill.
Oh, thank you, Duck. I knew because you've been up there a bit.
I actually thought it was human relations.
Righto, Scotty boy. Which 3 players?
Both.
It's both.
Which 3 players with the surname Rioli are currently playing in the AFL?
Willie, Daniel, and Morris Jr.
Well
Use
done.
that ad break well, Bill.
He did.
Yeah,
He's been
good.
walking along the beach trying to get some sort of
Info.
What? Good.
Don't ever jump in and help him.
connection.
Let
I
him
didn't.
finish.
Connection down there at Torquay. It's hard to get.
Connection.
Well, righto, here we go. Question 10 for the IGA liquor, $250. Just what's the line there with IGA, Jim, please?
Yeah. $250
Nah.
IGA
voucher
liquor, where
from
good
IGA.
food deserves.
a great drop.
Well done.
Yes.
So not beer on tap like last week?
Which 2 Indigenous players have won a Brownlow medal, Scotty, from Torquay?
Oh, yes.
Oh, come on, Dopey.
Gavin Wanganeen.
Yes.
Yeah?
Um,
Oh, he's
come on,
trying.
any clues?
Oh, you should know
Oh,
this.
did
Scotty.
Justifiable hose.
Adam in Frankston.
Just been out to Springvale to pick up some sticky rice and some
Sticky rice. You drive all the way to Frangers, to Springvale for sticky rice.
Yeah, no, I've just got home. I'm about to run a train.
Sticky rice.
About to,
Train.
about to run a
Just got
train.
home, I'm about to run a train through it.
Righto.
Oh, yeah, nah.
Trying to work out. Righto,
I get it now.
Not in a good way either.
Yeah, righto. Adam. Righto. Which 2 Indigenous players have won a Brownlow medal?
Goodsey and Andy McLeod.
Oh, no!
How?
You fool's head!
How?
Bloody
How?
fool's head! It was all there for you. Oh, Jack from Caroline Springs. G'day, Jack.
Just tipped off the last load in the truck and trailer. Going home, boys.
Yeah,
Oh, the
what'd you
fun.
have on the back?
Dirt, Billy.
Oh, that's all right. Bit of loam.
Bit of low.
My God. Just a question, Bill. That'll do us.
Couldn't think of any other dirt.
Loam.
Jack, which 2 Indigenous players have won the Brownlow medal, Jack?
Gavin Wanganeen and Adam Goods.
Yeah! How good is that, Jack? $250 voucher at IGA. Where a good drop, Jim?
Good food deserves a great drop back.
Where a good drop was.
Yeah.
Where you get a good drop.
Oh, no.